Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. Today is the 5th lesson of Twi, the Asante dialect of Twi. This won't be a long lesson. This will be a short, little fun lesson. This is about things around the house. You know, just normal, common things. Okay, before I start, it's common you have to greet my mother.
Hi, people.
Make sure you greet her. Anyways, what's it you wanted to say, Mom?
Let's start from dining table.
Table. Oh, should I say a table or the table?
The table.
Okay. The table.
Epono.
Epunono
Epono.
is the table.
Yeah.
A table is epunobi, right?
No.
What was it?
Epono.
How do you say a table?
Because we have difference, like somewhere. What kind of table? Is it
right.
for eating table or is writing table?
Alright, so
Or
so dining table.
Edidi pono.
Say it slow, please.
Edidi pon epono. Edidi pono.
Okay. Chairs.
Akonya. Nkonya.
Okay, and then chair.
Akonya.
A room. Could be any.
Edamu.
The garden.
Efom.
In the Bible they say, I can't pronounce it.
Say it.
Tro.
Tro.
Yeah, like
that
like intropo. Intro means garden.
Yeah, intropo. That's where we grow the garden eggs and things.
And you know, to say, you know, vine as in grape is bubu meaning vineyard.
Yeah. Let's go back to the rooms.
Anyways, that is old Twi. No one says it no more. It's like saying tiasianam for car. Anyways. Don't say tiasianam. No one will understand you. Anyways, the bedroom.
Adamu. Oh dear. Adamu.
Living room. The living room.
Asaso.
The bathroom.
Ejariye.
The kitchen.
Ejari.
The stairs.
Abansro.
A lamp.
Kania.
A clock. Don't worry about that. I don't know that one myself. That's embarrassing, you know. But, you know, clock wasn't a Ghanaian invention. So we don't have a native word. So you just say... I mean, you've got don, which is...
Abeng. Adon.
Oh, yeah, you got abeng for like bell, right?
No, yeah, for bell. And it's when you say ping pong, it's abeng, you know, whistle.
Oh,
but I'm talking about the, you know, adon.
Don't worry about the word clock. This is not... You could just say...
I would say it's adoma.
Adoma, yeah?
Adoma.
Okay.
Because it tick and can ring at the same time. That's
cool. That's good. Like a drawers, like, you know, a stash where you keep things, your clothes. What would you call that? And then we're gonna get to like verbs, as in we're gonna use the word I for this present. So daily chores, as in I sweep up.
Me pra.
Remember, I is me.
Yeah. Sweep is pra.
I do the gardening.
Me do a fool.
I do the housework, like house chores.
Me ye efie aduyo.
Say that slow.
Me ye efie aduyo.
I clean.
Me pra efie.
I iron. Iron clothes.
Me too a norma.
I hoover the house.
Me pra.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Mm.
This is quite a short one. What if you're wiping something? Not sweeping, but I wipe.
Me pa.
I fold.
Me bobo. I'm folding.
I set the carpet.
Sorry?
I set the rug, like kete's rug.
Miss Masse Kete.
So that's the end of that lesson. Really, that's not such a great lesson, but
It's random questions.
we have to end it because of
answers.
the time's running out. If you did enjoy, if you like. If you didn't, dislike if you want, or subscribe if you haven't. Peace. Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. Today we're gonna be doing this. Today's lesson 4 of the Twi language, Asante dialect of Twi. We'll be doing general time expressions and also the time.